Today I'll be showing you all how I achieve mini twist on second day hair from a wash and go. It's very hot here and it's just time for a protective style. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am Jazzy. For those of you that do not know, welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in. In this video today, I am going to be actually doing a protective style video for you guys. And I'm going to do mini twists on my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is really, it's not dry. Actually, it might look dry, but it's not, honestly. I literally just washed my hair probably 2 days ago. And I did a wash and go using some products, and it actually did make my hair moisturize. So if you haven't checked that video out, make sure you go and check the last video out, okay? But today I'm going to be using some products to do my mini twist for my hair. So just to kind of give my hair a little break from the washing and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna go wash, condition my hair and deep condition it also, and then I'm gonna come back with probably most of my hair done already, and then I'll do the tutorial on, you know, one section of my hair. So just stay tuned, guys. Just a little FYI, I used to dance hip-hop when I was younger. Isn't that cool? But let's just get right into it. So I have about 95% of the mini twist already in my hair. And now I am going to be working on this section here. So first I'm going to be applying the Jane Carter Curls to Go Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In Conditioner. And then I'm going to apply the Shine On Curl Elixir. And then I'll be applying the Curl Cocktail by Jane Carter from the Curls to Go collection. So I am using the lock method for my mini twist just so that I can seal in a lot of moisture and keep them nice and moisturized for the few days that I'm going to be wearing them. So here I am just taking a part of that big section, making it a little smaller. And I am taking my hair and just twisting it from the roots all the way to the ends. Once I get to the end of my twist, I like to ravel the ends around my finger just so I can get a little curl at the end to secure my twist so that it won't unravel, and just give it a like mini twist and curl. It's so cute. So we're going to complete the last section of my hair. I'm just going to use the same method, the lock method, and apply my leave-in, my oil, and then my cream. You can get any of these products from your local Target or Sally's. So yeah, this style took about maybe an hour and a half to achieve. And as you guys can see, this is the finished results. I didn't want to do them too small because I wanted to be able to gradually take them out, you know, when I'm ready. So yeah, this is just the results. I love this style. It's so easy and it lasts for a couple of days for me. I'll probably wear it for about 2 or 3 days, but yeah, you can do it and wear it how often or how long you want to wear it. So yeah, now I'm just twisting it down just so I can stretch my twists so that they won't shrink as much. And yeah, that's it. But thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.